just a quick vid to show where I'm up to, and just got all the platforms in, all the wiring for the track sensors are all in. So I've got 6-7 platforms now. Not had time to do much on it with work and all the rest of it, what's going on. I've individually wired the buffer stop lights in, isolating them from the main track system so not to confuse the automation. Not built the buildings for the back of the station yet, not on time, but should do in the near future. Been doing loads of rewiring underneath the boards using these connectors, power block connectors, and that replaces this conventional type, which, to tell you the truth, are useless. These are far superior. Now I've been using these for quite a while. They're really good. Just testing the track voltage as well, making sure everything's alright, because I've been redoing all the gravel, adding static grass here and there. Still got loads to do. I've also been rusting the track as well. Rusting the rails, which for that I've been using a absolutely brilliant tool, which is Joe's Model Trains and you basically get a large bottle of rust paint, the rails, and you get another container like that, transfer the paint into that. I'm not using it at the moment, that's why I've sealed the top. You do get another lid, but I've lost it. And then you get this is the main device which you use for applicating the paint, and it's gravity fed. It's got a sponge wheel, stainless steel screw, stainless steel shaft, and the paint's just gravity fed and comes out on a little hole. Ingenious but simple. And you get spare foam heads for it as well, so you just got to make sure you wash it out really nice before, when you finish using it. I'll show that in a minute, using that. Also been using these Velcro cable ties, which are absolutely brilliant for tying all your cables up underneath the baseboard. Dead cheap, colour coded. They just wrap, you just peel them off and wrap them around your cables, tie them up underneath your baseboard. Really good. So yeah, also been doing some other work on the gravel yard. I made the gravel yard smaller. I'll just go under, have a look. That's the church I've got to build. Yeah, and it's going to go in that field there somewhere. Put roll out grass. I'm going to be adding static grass over the top of that as well. More shrubs, bushes and trees. That's going somewhere else. Just wanted more greenery. That church is going to go there. It's going to be lit up. And I've made this yard area smaller. Maintenance yard for the Roble. And that loads up with the gravel. And that's fully automated siding that, so there's 4 automated sidings now in that yard area. Yeah, so that's it really. Like I say, I've not had a lot of time to do a lot of stuff on the layout, to tell you the truth, but that's what it's like when you're not retired and you've obviously still working and all the rest of it. What's going on? Yeah, so this looks a lot better now coming in here. You've just got a platform on both sides of that side in there. just need to check out any track, might have a bit of PVA residue on it. So just turn it upside down, let gravity take over, roll out the brush to get any excess off and get it. So there's a nice bit of paint on the roller, and all you basically do is adjust the screw to your liking on the end. You get a bit of track and just go along. It's brilliant, it's just so easy to do. And of course you've got that paint coming out all the time. Constant supply of water-based paint. There's a bit of a knack at using it, but it goes exactly where you want it on the rail. It's great, absolutely great. You can get into those little fine areas as well where it'll be awkward. You can see that area there. I'm doing this one-handed. Paint goes exactly where you want it to. It just makes doing rail rusting an absolute joy. Because in the old days, I would have done that by brush, or I know there's various other different devices you can use, but this is by far one of the best I've ever seen. It's an American tool. I'll see if I can find a link for it. But yeah, the only thing is you've got to make sure that doesn't dry up, and wash it out properly with warm water, and even blow through the pipe to clear out any excess paint so it doesn't dry up in, because if that obviously gets a blockage, it's going to be difficult to remove. So that's that. I'm going to carry on doing that for a bit. Yeah.